Shall let's go for walking. What is that? I think it's a Komodo dragon. Let's learn how to draw a Komodo dragon.
Hi Mithi, you wanted to see how to draw a Komodo dragon. So let's start. Here you can see that I'm starting from its head. Here's its tongue. You have to draw a zigzag line. Here's its tail. Now I'm drawing its legs. Do you know, Mithi? Komodo dragons are originally from Australia. They are very venomous. Here's its belly. Komodo dragons have a permanent suit of armor. They are incredibly agile for reptiles. Let's draw some body prints. They can eat 80% of their weight in one sitting. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my olive green pen. Komodo dragons are notorious grave robbers. And I'm using my warm gray pen. My drawing is done. This is how you can draw a Komodo dragon within few minutes. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. Thank you so much for watching.